We are very excited to introduce our Occupational Therapy Assistant program at Weber State University. We will be equipped with a beautiful new state-of-the-art building that will simulate hospitals, clinics, and home environments to help our students learn how to work as occupational therapy assistants. Occupational therapy is an amazing profession. An occupational therapy practitioner really gets to create and implement individualized treatment plans for our patients, helping someone who has had perhaps a stroke or a spinal cord injury. And an occupational therapy practitioner would work with that individual to help them to navigate their environment in their wheelchair, to be able to dress themselves, to learn how to drive independently using hand controls and using assistive technology in their home environments.
Weber State University is one of the first programs in the United States that will be offering a Bachelor's of Occupational Therapy Assisting degree. The bachelor's degree really sets our graduates up for success after graduation and beyond. As a student at Weber State University, you'll really have the opportunity for a lot of hands-on experiences, not just through fieldwork, but also in the classroom. Our programs offer the opportunity to practice the skills that you will need to be successful, not only on your national exam at the end of the program, but also in whatever setting you decide to work in as an occupational therapy practitioner after graduation.
Weber State is awesome because with the small class sizes, the faculty really get to know me and are invested in my future. I get the opportunity to work with people who are recovering from an illness, managing a disability, or learning new skills. It's so rewarding being able to see the positive changes I get to make in people's lives every day.
We'd like to welcome you to Weber State University and the Occupational Therapy Assistant program. Together, we will transform lives, starting with yours.